Hey guys, welcome to Head and Heel. I'm going to show you how to use our referral program to save money on your next order. If you're on a desktop or laptop computer, you're going to start on the home page and click the Give 20, Get 20 menu option. Now, for this to work, you'll need a rewards account. You can make one by clicking the rewards button, and if you already have one, you can log in there. To send a referral, it's as easy as typing your friend's email address into the box and hitting Next. This will only work once on any given email address. This link sends your friend $20 off their purchase. As soon as they make a purchase, you will get an email with $20 off too. If you click here and return to the main page, there's other ways to send the referral to friends. You can copy the link to drop it into a text. You can post directly to Twitter or Facebook for all of your followers to see. Or you can send a message through Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. When you're done, you can check and see if any of your referrals have been used. You can always check here, the little purple tab in the bottom left, on the rest of your rewards as well. Just click My Rewards.